Problem number 19. So to put it into graphing form, we want it to look like y equals, or in this case an inequality, mx plus b. So I would start by subtracting x from both sides. So I would be left with a minus 6y minus x minus 6. Divide everything by a negative 6. So that turns the sign around. I have a y. Negative divided by negative is positive 1 over 6x. And then negative 6 divided by negative 6 is plus 1. Let's do the same thing here. Subtract 3x from both sides. So I have a y is greater than or equal to a minus 3x plus 4. We are now ready to graph all those various equations or inequalities. So we start at the plus 1. We go up 1 and over 6. Up 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we can go backwards 6 and down 1, which would put us right here. From there we can draw a line going through it. Oh, but was that supposed to be a line? No, there's no line underneath, so this is not supposed to be a line. So I'll just write the word dashed on that line. But you have to remember that when you're looking at a point that you got to remember that's dashed even though it's drawn solid. So this one here, let's graph this one, a positive 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is down 3 and over 1. 1, 2, 3 over 1. 1, 2, 3 over 1. That's good enough for me to get my line drawn in here. Oh, but was that one supposed to be a line? Yes, that has a line here, so we're okay. So now let's do the shading on this stuff. So for this one here, I test the point 0, 0 and see if that point is true or false. 0 less than 0 times this goes away, so I have a 1. Is 0 less than 1? It sure is. That is true. So I want to include the point 0, 0 when I'm shading this line this way. So then I test the point 0, 0 over here. 0, I'm left with a 4. Is 4 less than or equal to 0? No. 4 is greater than 0. So I don't want to include the point 0, 0 for this line. So I go on the other side and I would start shading this way like this. So my double shaded region is all this stuff right here. So is the point 0, 0 a solution? No, it is not inside the double shaded region.